I came to Arkana because I was lost in life. I had lost a passion for life and hoping to find myself. I knew that deep down inside, my deepest insecurities, fears, doubts, shame, and guilt, I knew it was all in there. It took Aya to bring that out so I can acknowledge it and recognize it. I can see why I had that inner struggle, because there was an entire part of myself that I was neglecting. I was only embracing the light, but not the darkness. And to feel whole, we have to embrace both. And that's what I learned here. The staff has been so helpful and incredible. I was in the military at one point, and this is probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. Putting in the work, it's something special. Through pain and sacrifice do we really find ourselves. And I feel like I'm born again. I've never loved my breath as much as I do now. I've never loved opening my eyes in the morning. I've never loved anything as much as I do now. I can't wait to get home to my friends and family so I can share this amazing gift that the staff at Arkana and the shamans and this facility has bestowed upon me. I highly recommend, if you're even thinking about coming to a place like this, that's because it's calling to you. You just haven't embraced it. Your future self will thank you for it, because I thank myself for coming here.